We are going to use Google Trends to find Pride shirts. Filter by the last 7 days. For the category, we want to put shopping. And go down here, related queries. We want to look for phrases that we can use for t-shirts. And this first one looks good. Let's see. I like my whiskey straight. So we can search that on merch research. And this will show us the merch shirts. So yeah, these are selling. And this was uploaded in April, so not too long ago. This design is a cross niche as well, with alcohol. So you can change the whiskey to vodka or tequila. Here is tequila. So I think you can still upload this and get sales this month because it is low competition. Or either way, it can still be an evergreen.